Hey guys, this is Unwithered Devin-Foxy, and this is another video called Jeffy's Best Sounds. So, I think this video was taken from Super Mario Logan, and I want to say good job to him at making more SFM, never mind, SML. Yeah, I just forgot. So sorry about that, I just meant SML. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit the like and comments, and guys, go subscribe to Super Mario Logan or Super Luigi Logan, and yeah, so subscribe both of their channels, and hope you guys enjoy, and subscribe to Tito, which he makes Sonic videos, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys hit the like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, which I'm getting pretty good at making more videos. So guys, go subscribe to Tori #Gaming Squad, and yeah, go subscribe to her channel. And I really want you guys to do that because I always send a video on the shout out video. Yeah, because I always uploaded that video. So hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys want me to make more shout outs, one of my friends' channels, then you guys could give some reminders. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's do the video.
Come on, Jeffy! Come on, Jeffy, get the fish! Get the fish! Oh, where'd you go, Jeffy? Jeffy? Jeffy, stop it! Jeffy, there's a shark out there. You're gonna get eaten. You didn't come back right now.
Monkey float. Where are you going? Why the bubble stop? Okay, I gotta get one more in before bang.
No! Jeffy! Jeffy! Oh, what is it? Jeffy, no! Jeffy, diarrhea! What, diarrhea?
So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit the like and comment and subscribe. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to upload this video for now. So please enjoy this video. Make sure you guys hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the later, and I'll see you all later for the next video. So goodbye, and I'm out. Devin-Foxy is totally out with you all. So thank you and goodbye.